Welcome to the third session of Introduction to Cybercrime. In this session, we will study categories of criminals based on the motives. There are three types of cyber criminals. The first one is cyber criminals who are hungry for recognition. The second one is cyber criminals who are not interested in recognition. The third one is cyber criminals who are actually insider in a particular organization or company. Now we will see each type in detail one by one. The first one is cyber criminals who are hungry for recognition. Here basically criminals are interested to find out the information about a particular victim. There are number of types. The first one is hobby hackers. Here a person who enjoys exploring the limits of what is possible in a spirit of playful cleverness. He may try to modify hardware or software. These are criminals who just try to learn about hacking techniques. The next one is IT professionals. These are the actually good guys, computer security expert who specialized in penetration testing and other methodologies to ensure that a company's information systems are secure. These IT security professionals rely on a constantly evolving technology to battle with hackers. The next one is politically motivated hackers. Some hackers activists are motivated by politics or religion, while others may wish to expose doing wrong things or exact revenge or simply harass their target for their own entertainment. The next type is terrorist organization. These hackers, generally motivated by religious or political belief, attempt to create fear by disrupting critical infrastructures. Cyber terrorists are by far the most dangerous with a wide range of skills and goals. Cyber terrorist ultimate motivation is to spread fear, terror and commit murder. The second type is cyber criminals who are actually not interested in recognition of information. So here the first type is psychological perverts. In this type, criminal try to do crimes without any reason. So the second type is financially motivated hackers. Here criminals are interested to steal money from others' account online by using various techniques. The third type is state-sponsored hacking. The state-sponsored hackers are also often identifiable by their dedication to a specific target. This criminal hacking is usually designed to target the largest possible number of victims in order to increase the chances that someone will click on a link or mistakenly transfer money. The next type is organized criminals. So, the organized crime is a grouping of highly centralized enterprises run by criminals to engage in illegal activity, most commonly for profit. Some criminal organizations, such as terrorist group, are politically motivated. The third type is cyber criminals, the insiders. Insider threats are harder to defend against than attacks from outsiders, since the insider already has direct access to the organization's information and assets. An insider may attempt to steal property or information for personal gain or to benefit other organization or country. So the first type is former employees seeking revenge. Here, criminal does crime to take revenge with a particular employee or with company. The second one is competing companies using employees to gain economic advantage through damage or theft. Here, criminal with the help of employees tries to harm a particular company. So to do all these crimes, the typical motives behind cybercrime seem to be greed, desire to gain power or publicity, desire for revenge, a sense of adventure, looking for thrill to access forbidden information, destructive mindset, and desire to sell network security services. So in today's session, we have discussed different categories of cyber criminals based on their motivation behind the crime. So there are three types we have studied. The first one is criminals who are hungry for recognition of information. The second type is cyber criminals who are actually not interested in recognition. The third type was cyber criminals who are actually present in their own company, that is the criminals who are the insiders. That's it for today's session. In next section, we will study classification of cyber crimes.